are going to make a Chinese recipe named as Bok Choy with garlic. So we need enough amount of bok choy, and the ingredients like 15 cloves of chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon of dark soya sauce, 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and 1 teaspoon of crushed pepper, and 1 teaspoon of sugar, salt as required. And water you will need around 3 tablespoons. So you have to boil the water. When it comes to boiling state, you have to dip in the bok choy. You need not boil the bok choy because this gets cooked very easily. So just 2 flip will do. Then put them in the cold water. So strengthen the bok choy from the cold water and keep them separately. The first process is over. Now get into cooking. So pour 2 tablespoons of oil. You have to cook the garlic. You need not overcook this, just till the golden brown. You will get nice aroma when you fry this garlic in butter and oil. We will add little butter later, not now. Now we have transferred the roasted garlic separately, and we have to go ahead with the soya sauce. For the soy sauce, pepper, sugar, and the oyster sauce. Yes. Cook them in a low flame so that it will not get stuck in the pan. Be careful while you are adding the salt because all the sauces contains lot of salt. So add salt as required, maybe a pinch will do. Now add the water. So let this cook for a minute. And when it comes to boiling state, you have to add the roasted garlic. Let it come to a boil. Then add the bok choy. Just let it cook for a minute and flip them, and the process is over. Yes, the bok choy is cooked now. You can add a little butter to complete the cooking process. You can fry the garlic, you can roast the garlic in the butter. It will give nice aroma rather than roasting it in oil. The dish is finally ready to serve. It's a very simple dish and very quick to make them. It's an ideal dish for the person who is opting for weight reduction, and this is very tasty and healthy. Go ahead, try it and post the comments. Thank you.